Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to open a demo account on your iOS device. To begin, visit our website and click on Open a Demo Account. Manually enter the first name, middle name, last name, and country of residence. Enter your email address twice to confirm it's correct. Remember to type it manually, and please provide your phone number. Choose your trading platform, either MT4 or MT5. Now, select your preferred currency type. In the final stage, please select the amount of funds to be used in the demo trade. Please complete the capture verification and click the Open a Demo Account button. You will see a message saying, "Thank you for applying to open a demo account." Access your email account and open the email from IS6 Technologies Limited. Click on Authenticate your email address. You will receive demo account details on your email. Congratulations, your demo account has been opened. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!